Hi and good day. Today I will tell you something about my third book. Titled is Homo Fix or Nix. Homo, that I told you, if you remember last time, Homo is a Latin word, means man with a M capital letter. Fix or nix, fixation or negation, or in the French language, affirmation et négation. What about my title that I told you? Now I will start. Starting by the contents, preamble, preface, introduction. Part 1, Chapter 1, the fallacy of common sense. Chapter 2, the people, crowds, masses, and populism. Chapter 3, the logical foundations of extremism. Chapter 4, Part 2, Chapter 4, emotion problem. Chapter 5, reason and contemporary world. Chapter 6, ISM is problem. Part 3, the world does not think. Chapter 8, the death of truth. Chapter 9, the world is extremist. Chapter 10, appendix. Chapter 11, the great crisis of reason and mind. Chapter 12, post, fis, and nix. Conclusion, references, further reading. In some words, what mean about description of my book? This interesting essay, developed with a philosophical approach, had the advantage of crossing and taking inspiration from various disciplines for the understanding of some very topical phenomena, analyzing some authors of classical Western philosophy and comparing them with the other thinkers from other geographical areas, among them some intellectual of Islamic current. The author confronts with the reader with a great reflection on how we see the world today, often influenced by the powerful communication weapons represented by the web or internet. Through the sample example, it will be almost natural to understanding that phenomena such as extremism, described as a blatant phenomenon against the difficulty of life and problems of societies. Common sense, justice, populism are innate in man's ability to relate to each other, emerging in a sort of sense of common destiny of human being. Finish, and I see you next time. Bye.